Please subscribe our channel. Press follows well after lead in ecchymosis. Option A, calendula. Option B, sulfuric acidum. Option C, hypericum. And option D, rustox. Answer option B, sulfuric acidum. Mania following disappearance of neuralgia. Option A, platina. Option B, raphanus. Option C, cimicifuga. And option D, spigelia. Answer option C, cimicifuga. While dressing in the morning, has to sit down several times to rest. Option A, gelsemium. Option B, arsenicum album. Option C, stannum met. And option D, muriatic acidum. Answer option C, stannum met. Women who are weak, delicate, chlorotic, yet have a fiery red face. Option A, ferret. Option B, arnica. Option C, graphitis. Option D, syngona. Answer option A, ferret. The transverse colon protrudes like a pad. Option A, bismuthum. Option B, colchicum. Option C, colocynthis. Option D, belladonna. Answer option D, belladonna. Burning and soreness in region of kidneys. Option A, colchicum. Option B, phosphorus. Option C, berberis vulgaris. And option D, belladonna. Answer option C, berberis vulgaris. Headache, intense, as if thousands of needles were pricking the brain. Option A, agaricus. Option B, glonoinum. And option C, tarantula. Option D, argentum nitricum. Answer option C, tarantula. Excretions diminish, especially urine and sweat. Option A, lobelia. Option B, tabacum. Option C, apocyanum. And option D, mercurius. Answer option C, apocyanum. Gallstones with pain under the right shoulder blade. Option A, belladonna. Option B, syngona. Option C, chelidonium. Option D, lycopodium. Answer option C, chelidonium. Sensation of great coldness in head. Option A, valeriana. Option B, sepia. Option C, veratrum album. Option D, camphor. Answer option A, valeriana. Oversensitive to heat and cold. Option A, epicac. Option B, hepasulf. Option C, silesia. Option D, sulfur. Answer option A, epicac. Fan-like motion of the Alanaceae. Option A, belladonna. Option B, bromium. Option C, sulfur. Option D, nitric acidum. Answer option B, bromium. Headache preceded by blindness, better by profuse urination. Option A, cocculus. Option B, calibac. Option C, gelsemium. Option D, pulsatilla. Answer option C, gelsemium. Headache with sensation of swashing in the brain. Option A, rustox. Option B, millefolium. Option C, colchicum. Option D, abrotanum. Answer option A, Restox. Drinking even small quantities of water that increases pain in the bladder. Option A, Apocyonum. Option B, Berberis vulgaris. Option C, Cantharis. Option D, Arsenicum album. Answer option C, Cantharis. Colic from gallstones. Option A, Berberis vulgaris. Option B, Sarsaparilla. Option C, Medorinum. Option D, Aconite. Answer option A, Berberis vulgaris. Features expressive of pain and anxiety. Option A, Veratrum album. Option B, Cocculus. Option C, Etusa. Option D, Sulfur. Answer option C, Etusa. Choking in swallowing. Things go down the wrong way. Option A, Mercor. Option B, Cannabis sativa. Option C, Graphitis. Option D, Alumina. Answer option B, Cannabis sativa. Purpural mania. Thinks she is going crazy. Tries to injure herself. Option A, Simicifuga. Option B, Tarantula. Option C, Lilium tick. Option D, Veratrum album. Answer option A, Simicifuga. Constantly theorizing. Option A, Cannabis indica. Option B, Naja. Option C, Lachesis. Option D, Stramonium. Answer option A, Cannabis indica. Alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency occurs in emphysema, bronchiectasis, empyema, bronchogenic carcinoma. Answer emphysema. Most common organs involved in Wegener's granulomatosis are option A, skin and nose, option B, lungs and kidney, and option C, heart and kidney, option D, kidney and nervous system. Answer option B, lungs and kidney. Most common thyroid cancer is option A, papillary carcinoma, option B, follicular carcinoma, option C, medullary carcinoma, and option D, anaplastic carcinoma. Answer option A, papillary carcinoma. Earliest change in atherosclerosis is option A, fatty streaks, option B, fibrofatty plaque, and option C, calcification, option D, gelatinous lesions. Answer option A, fatty streaks. Hepatopancreatic duct opens into which part of duodenum? Option A, first, option B, second, option C, third, and option D, fourth. Answer option B, second. Retrograde menstruation is a feature of option A, DUB, option B, endometriosis, option C, postmenopausal bleeding, option D, adenomyosis. Answer option B, endometriosis. The sensation as if anus is open is present in option A, lachesis, option B, phosphorus, option C, causticum, option D, nitric acid. Answer option B, phosphorus. Red in fact are seen in option A, lungs, Option B, kidney. Option C, spleen. Option D, bones. Answer option A, lungs. Worm affections in children. Option A, Silesia. Option B, Sabadilla. Option C, Sina. Option D, all of the above. Answer option D, all of the above. Fever never at night. Option A, bryonia. Option B, antimonium crudum. Option C, cinchona. Option D, belladonna. Answer option C, cinchona. Swelling in the bend of knee. Option A, calicar. Option B, maccarp. Option C, macphos. And option D, rustox. Answer option B, maccarp. Bonnie Hussein's original therapeutic pocketbook contained remedies. Option A, 342. Option B, 362. Option C, 126. And option D, 220. Answer option C, 126. Most common benign soft tumor. Option A, lipoma. Option B, leiomyoma. Option C, hepatoma. And option D, fibroma. Answer option A, lipoma. Most reliable method of identification of a person is option A, Galton method. Option B, Gustafson method. Option C, anthropometry. And option D, scars. Answer option A, Galton method. Absence of pain where it could be expected is a noticeable feature of option A, antimonium crudum. Option B, aconite. Option C, coffea. And option D, baptisia. Answer option A, antimonium crudum. Flaying is seen in which type of laceration? Option A, split. Option B, avulsion. Option C, tear. Option D, stretch. Answer option B, avulsion. It should not be given before or after silesia. Option A, belladonna. Option B, hepasulf. Option C, mercurius. Option D, sulfur. Answer option C, mercurius. After overaction from repeated doses of belladonna in whooping cough. Option A, hyoscyamus. Option B, stramonium. Option C, calcarea. Option D, none of these. Answer option B, stramonium. Placenta secretes all the hormones except option A, HCG. Option B, prolactin. Option C, estrogen. Option D, human placental lactogen. Answer option B, prolactin. Carbovage and creosotum are option A, complementary. Option B, antidote. Option C, inimical. And option D, none of these. Answer option C, inimical. Universal antidote. Camphor. Cross between bryonia and rustox in pleurisy. Senega. Chilly in chronic, hot in acute. Silesia. In cancer as an intercurrent remedy. Calendula. Act best in goiter when given after full moon or when the moon is waning. Iodine. Better than arnica and calendula for absorption of intraocular hemorrhage. Hemamelis. For retarding old age. Thiocyaminum. Act better when given with wine. Artemisia vulgaris. Mentally an April day. Pulsatilla. Nux symptoms in females. Gratiola. Has the power to liquefy albuminous and fibrinous deposits. Aceticum acidum. Character of blood dyscrasia. Echinacea. Mental calmness contraindicates. Chamomilla. Sometimes act best when given in hot water. Magnesium phosphoricum. Last stages of cancer to ease the pain. Echinacea is recommended as a prophylactic in malarial and African fevers. Terebinthine. Act most beneficially when patient suffers from chronic loose stool or diarrhea. Phosphorus. Hot in chronic, chilly in acute. Pulsatilla. Sweating does not cause a fall in temperature. Pyrogenia. It lessens the frequency and force of the pulse, soothes pain and allays irritabilities. Semicifuga. Toothache during menses. Staphysagria. Toothache in carious teeth. Meserium and creosotum. Toothache only when eating. Calcium carbonicum. Toothache amelioration while eating. Spigelia. Terrible toothache during early months of pregnancy. Ratania. Washerwoman's toothache. Phosphorus. Toothache from tobacco smoking. Spigelia. Looseness of teeth, easily bleeding gums. Carbovech. Rapid caries of teeth. Fluoricum acidum. Toothache, unbearable when food touches the teeth. Magnesium muriaticum. Prevents caries of teeth. Coca. Toothache, if anything warm is taken into the mouth. Chamomilla, bismuthum, bryonia, and coffea. Toothache every spring and fall during sharp east winds. rhododendron. Crowns of teeth decay, roots remains. Mercurius. Crowns intact, roots decay. Meserium. Brain symptoms during dentition. Belladonna, Helleborus, Podophyllum. Pain in teeth, relieved by icy cold water. Ferrum metallicum. Very painful dentition. Child will not sleep. Creosotum. Toothache. Every still sound penetrates the teeth. Pterygium. Toothache from coffee. Chamomilla. Please subscribe our channel. Press bell icon to get continued.